Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef tri-tip roast in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have these two beef tri-tip roasts here that I picked up for $3.99 a pound. So these two tri-tips were $19.11. These are 4.79 pounds. So each tri-tip is just a little less than 2.5 pounds. I live in Northern California, so tri-tip is pretty abundant around here, and that's a pretty good price. Now these are pretty nice ones because they're pretty trimmed up. Sometimes you get ones on sale and they have tons of fat on one side of them, but this one is really good. Now this one I seasoned last night with some kosher salt and some of that seasoned pepper, and then I put it in the refrigerator. So that was like 12, 14 hours ago or so. The other one I haven't seasoned yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. But I kind of like to season my meat the night before, if I think about it, because that salt penetrates into it and it kind of helps it hang on to the moisture a little bit better. Now this slow cooker I have is really cool because it has this temperature probe that plugs into the side of the pot, so you can monitor the temperature of your meat. So I'm going to try cooking this tri-tip in this and see how it turns out. So just get this in there. It's all seasoned up. So I'll just lay that in there in a dry slow cooker. Now we'll get the lid on there. Now there's a hole for the meat probe to go right there. And so I put the thick end of the tri-tip on this end. So we'll get this meat probe right into the center of it there. Okay. And now we'll program this thing. Okay, we'll turn this on. We'll choose probe setting. Come on, hold still here. Probe, okay, we want low. I'm going to cook it on low. Enter. Okay, I actually cook tri-tip to 130 degrees, but 140 degrees Fahrenheit is as low as it goes. So I guess I'll just try that. So press enter. And I'll set a timer and let you guys know how long that takes. I just heard this shut off. Actually, the pot switches to warm. So it took 2 hours and 16 minutes to get to 140 degrees. And I'm going to get that out of there because it will keep cooking. That pot's not going to instantly cool down. So I'm going to get it out of there and put it on a plate. And we'll see how it turned out. I'm going to check the temperature with my quick read thermometer and see what it says. 142 right there. Let's check right here. 142. Okay, so it's, I guess that probe in the pot is pretty accurate then. This has rested for a little bit, so I guess we'll cut into it and see how it looks. Looks like the grain of the meat runs that way, so I'll cut it across that. I really didn't get a very nice color on the outside. I guess I could put that under the broiler, but since this is my first time doing this, I'm just going to cut it like this and see what the inside looks like here. Well, it looks nice and pink. Wow. It looks juicy as well. So let me get one more slice here and try a little bit of that. All right, here we go. It's really tender and juicy. I guess we better see what Annie, the taste test dog, thinks. She's flipping out over here. Well, she chewed that down pretty fast. I guess that's Annie approved. So I think 140 degrees was just about right for that. It was nice and pink all the way through. It was nice and juicy. Of course, I got it out of the pot as soon as it shut off. You're kind of missing that smokiness you get though, like when you do it on the grill. I think next time I do that, maybe I'll try putting it on my gas grill for a couple minutes on each side and just kind of brown up the outside on the gas grill and see how that works out. But anyway, I was pretty happy with the way that turned out. I'll put that link to that slow cooker in the description if anybody wants to take a look at it. It's pretty neat with that that temperature probe like that. They're only about $50, which is about what a regular slow cooker costs anyway. So I'll do that. Thanks for watching. See you guys.